About Samskrita Bharati. Samskrita Bharati was established in the year 1981. Headquartered in Delhi, it is a NGO run by volunteers and by donations received from society. Apart from a pan India presence, Samskrita Bharati has a presence in 18 countries across the world. It has 70 plus lifetime volunteers, that is Purna Kalakaha, who have dedicated their whole life for widening the reach of Sanskritam through Samskrita Bharati and for serving Bharat Mata. The volunteers have worked to widen the reach of Sanskritam from the state level to district level and even to the grassroots level, that is the villages. In a span of 39 years, Samskrita Bharati trained a record number of 1 crore people in spoken Sanskritam through its various programs like the 10-day spoken Sanskritam classes and different learning programs like the Sambhashana Shibirani, Sambhashana Varga, Samvadashala, Patrachara Shikshana Yojana, Pustaka Prakashanam, Balakendram, Saptahika Melanam, Shastra Rakshanam, Gita Shikshana Kendram, etc. Sanskritam and Telangana. Mahakavi Mallinatha Suri, who is known for his commentaries on Pancha Mahakavyas of Sanskritam, was born in Telangana. Many Avadhanis, that is Sanskritam poets who composed Ashtavadhanams, Shatavadhanams, belong to Telangana. Samskrita Bharati State Office. Samskrita Bharati Telangana State Office is at Manikonda near Golden Temple, that is Lord Venkateshwara Swami Temple. State level activities of Samskrita Bharati are run from this office. It has a Nitya Samskrita Adhyayana Kendram where people can come and learn Samskrita Bhasha as per their convenience. Statewide Samskrita Bhasha Pracharam happens from this office. In the Balakendram wing of Samskrita Bharati, we conduct spoken Sanskritam classes for children in the 5 to 16 years age group. In Balakendram, the Shikshikas adopt the unique teaching methodology of Samskrita Bharati. The Shikshikas teach Sanskritam just like a mother teaches the mother tongue to her child. Sanskritam is taught through Samskritam. Rhymes, value-based stories, shlokas, small yogasanas, etc. form the course content. Various teaching aids like pictures, articles, games, drama, etc. are used. This method of teaching enhances the child's memory and intellect and shapes his or her character and instills good values apart from them learning spoken Sanskritam. The format of Balakendram classes is a 10-day Sanskritam class followed by weekly classes. Samskrita Shibiram, that is 10 days spoken Sanskritam class. Any person between the age of 5 to 80, irrespective of his or her gender, religion, caste, is eligible for Samskrita Shibiram, that is the 10 days spoken Sanskritam class. What we look for is only an interest to learn Sanskritam. A group of 20 to 30 people who are interested in learning Sanskritam can contact us and our Shibira Chalakaha, that is volunteer teacher, will go and teach them Sanskritam. The Samskrita Shibiram, that is 10 days spoken Sanskritam class, is for 2 hours duration each day for 10 days. After attending this Samskrita Shibiram, the student will be able to do Sarala Samskrita Sambhashanam, that is he or she will be able to do day-to-day conversation in Sanskritam. We conduct this Samskrita Shibiram all over Telangana in different educational institutions, schools, universities, and even in individual localities. Postal coaching. Patrachara Shikshanam. Learn Sanskritam through correspondence course. This has 4 levels, namely Praveshaha, Parichayaha, Shiksha and Kovida. Any person in the age group of 12 to 80 years is eligible to enroll for this. One has to just pay rupees 300 and postal charges for this, and the books will be home delivered through post. You can study from the comfort of your home. Our volunteers conduct weekend classes. The learners can join these classes to learn and clarify their doubts. This course includes 4 levels of knowledge of Sanskritam. One also learns grammar as part of this. A person who completes these 4 levels are treated as on par with a postgraduate. Samskrita Bharati curriculum. Samskrita Bharati curriculum is broadly classified into 3 areas. First is Samskrita Bharati school curriculum, second is Gita Shikshana Kendram, and third is Bhasha Praveshaha. First, Samskrita Bharati school curriculum. Samskrita Bharati has a well-planned course curriculum for students from nursery to class 10. The schools which would like to include Sanskritam as a subject just needs to arrange for a teacher. Samskrita Bharati will train the teacher free of cost, provide guidance and conduct refresher trainings 2 to 3 times a year. The school will follow the Samskrita Bharati course curriculum. The teacher will teach Sanskritam in our unique methodology, Matra Shishu Shikshana Paddhati. In this, the teacher teaches Sanskritam just as a mother teaches the mother tongue to her child. Rhymes, value-based stories, shlokas, etc. form the course curriculum. This method of teaching enhances a child's memory and intellect and instills good values in the child. Second, Gita Shikshana Kendram. Gita Shikshana Kendram teaches Bhagavad Gita. People who enroll for this course learn Bhagavad Gita through Sanskritam and Sanskritam through Bhagavad Gita. Third, Bhasha Praveshaha. Bhasha Pravesha course consists of 2 parts. Each part is of 3 months duration. Any person who completes this course will be able to speak Sanskritam fluently. Teachers Training Camp. After the Samskrita Shibiram, that is 10 days spoken Sanskritam class, there are Saptahikams, that is weekly classes. During public holidays, we conduct 3 days day camp, 5 days day camp, 1 week residential camp. The 5 days day camp is called Bhasha Bodhana Varga. A student who completes Bhasha Bodhana Varga, that is 5 days day camp, and is able to converse in basic Sanskritam can do the Bhasha Prabodhana Varga, that is 1 week residential camp. In this residential camp, they learn Sanskritam grammar and Sambhashanam happens in Sanskritam all through the day for 1 week. Students who successfully complete Bhasha Prabodhana Varga, that is 1 week residential camp, will be eligible for undergoing teachers training, that is Shikshaka Prashikshana Varga. This camp is for 12 days. Here, the trainee teachers are taught the unique teaching methodology of Samskrita Bharati, that is direct training method, teaching Sanskritam through Sanskritam. This is also called Matrubhasha Bodhana Paddhati. How a mother teaches her the mother tongue to her child is the methodology adopted by us. The teachers trained in this methodology are then eligible to conduct Samskrita Shibirams. These teachers are volunteers of Samskrita Bharati. Science in Sanskritam exhibition. Contrary to popular perception, the value of pi, Pythagorean theorem, and such other mathematical and scientific concepts already find a mention in the Vedas and the ancient Sanskritam texts. Vedic Sanskritam texts like the Baudhayana Sulabha Sutras contain several mathematical results like the Pythagorean theorem. The ancient mathematician and astronomer Aryabhatta, who is widely known for inventing the concept of zero, has also contributed to the concept of mathematical constant pi. Samskrita Bharati has 150 such scientific charts on more than 25 subjects like astronomy, medicine, engineering, metallurgy, etc. Educational institutions can obtain these scientific charts from us to spread the awareness amongst the student community on special occasions like the Science Day, the Mathematics Day, etc. Many educational institutions have already obtained these scientific charts and arranged exhibitions in their institutions. Sahasra Vastunam Vastu Pradarshini. Sanskritam names of 1,000 things. Samskrita Bharati conducts a unique exhibition of things. These are things that we use on a day-to-day basis. Here, the focus is on the Samskritam names of 1,000 things. For example, the ruler or scale is called as Mapika, Vastram is cloth, the wristwatch is called as Hastagati, wall clock is called as Bhittigati, so on and so forth. Bharati Puja. Samskrita Bharati Telangana performs Bharati Puja every year on the Vasant Panchami day, that is Janmadinam of Saraswati Mata. This puja is performed at the district level and state level too. The state level puja is held at Jagruti Bhavan, Kachigoda, Hyderabad. Samskrita Bharati volunteers, Sanskritam lovers and Bharatiya Samskriti lovers come together for this puja. They also do Samarpanam, that is they donate in cash and kind for the Pracharam activities. Samskrita Bharati Book Exhibition. Samskrita Bharati conducts a big Sanskritam book exhibition at the end of December every year. This exhibition is usually held in NTR Stadium in Telangana. We also put up our book stalls in organizations, schools and colleges on their request. We have a collection of 300 books which include books for new learners, science books, novels, poetry books, etc. Samskrita Dinotsava and Samskrita Saptahaha. Samskrita Bharati celebrates Samskrita Dinotsava, Sanskrit Day on Shravana Purnima, that is Raksha Bandhan Day. We also celebrate Samskrita Saptahaha, Sanskrit Week, during the Shravan Purnima week. Gita Jayanti. On the occasion of Gita Jayanti, we organize various programs such as shloka chanting of Bhagavad Gita shlokas, essay writing, debates, etc. at district level and state level. Last year, 1,500 people took part in the Bhagavad Gita chanting program held at Hyderabad. Samskrita Sammelanam, Sanskritam Conference. Samskrita Bharati conducts different Sammelanams, that is conferences such as Jilla Sammelanam, Rajya Sammelanam and Rashtra Sammelanam. Samskrita Bharati volunteers and Sanskritam enthusiasts take part in these Sammelanams to assess the current state of Sanskritam and to deliberate on new ways to take Sanskritam to the common man. Recently, for the first time, Samskrita Bharati conducted a Vishwa Samskrita Sammelanam, that is World Sanskritam Conference. We are the first volunteer-based NGO to conduct such a Sanskritam conference at the global level, which was attended by volunteers from 20 countries.